Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dimas Zulfaidat and I'm from class English language teaching with class number 164. So here I will explaining and comparing the website that we can use to look information for our material. For example, here I will check material compositionality and truth conditions semantics. So compositionality in linguistics is a principle that means of some expression that complex can be understood from the part that make it. So compositionality state that mean from the complex sentence determined by the meaning of the words in it and their grammatical structure. For example, the cat chased the mouse. We can understand that the sentence because we know what is the cat and both chase and the mouse. By combining that word, we can understand what we're meaning. It's not count when we face idiom. Mean of idiom can understand by its individual mean word. Then truth conditions semantics, a theory in linguistics and the philosophy of language that states that the meaning of a sentence can be understood based on the condition in the word that make it true. It is a formal approach that connects language to reality. Simply, you understand the meaning of a sentence if you know how the word must look for it to be true. For example, there is a sentence, John is running. It's true if someone named John is running in a real world. Not all sentences can be truth condition semantics, such as question and idiom. Okay, now I will compare between two websites that will often we used to looking for a journal or article. There is two websites that I will use, that is GStore and ProQuest. But before I compare the both of the website, I will give you some information that I use. There is Wi-Fi, not mobile data, so maybe there is different with the result of other students, and the results that I get there is not absolute right, so maybe there is mistaken. And let's begin. Now we can open on our Google, type ProQuest. Then after that we can for this I trying to looking for my information. Then we can add this material that I already choose before, that is compositionality and truth condition semantic. Now we can more specific the content. There is journal article and the other. Now we can search, but sadly we here cannot find the keyword that accomplished with this, and maybe we look at one by one. I try truth condition semantic, then I'm looking for one by one. So there is the results, there is so many, there about 938 or less. Then we can filter or more specific the result of our journal. Then I found the composing word and non-word. Maybe it's still related with compositionality material. So this is a string that we're looking for truth conditional semantic, but there is show composition and compositionality. Then I move to the next page. Still haven't find material about truth condition semantic. But this is I found the related material or journal article, and there is just the preview of the page in PDF, but we can log in to read full the article if we want. So if we move into the next page, there is a bit slow because I move into the fifth page. The fourth page there is I skip, so maybe there is a bit of lag. Okay, now for GStore website, there is we can see many options. Like before I am trying to find the content before I start, then we can advance search to more get specific, like the type, the years. Then now let's try to looking for our material in GStore. There is we can find the journal article that's still related and not out of the topic, so we can read it one by one. And there is a preview for the abstract, and some article there is we have to log in, and some there is we can download. Now trying one by one, and the result there is so many. There is 3,983, and there is a preview page for abstract, and for here there is a limit for downloading in GStore if we not login or free login. And now we trying to next material. There is truth conditional semantic, and there is so many results, and all of them I think there is still in related with the material that we search, like truth condition semantic, not out of the topic like progress. So in here we can more easily and more faster in looking for material. Okay, so for the conclusion, the website GStore is faster and more completed for us to looking for research to make a journal or reading, but the result that I can get it's not absolute true. So maybe there is some factors that affect the results from my video. So maybe there is my mistakes, I apologize. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.